We are moving on. The judges are on their way for event number 2. And if you look around this arena, everything is put together by V2 Facility. And V2 Facility is the sponsor of this event, event number 2.
Aan de lange lijnen, de multi-kampioen. En komt als ze winnen. Waar zijn de fans van Johannes?
And he's coming in dancing. Johannes 484 in the long reins. And if you have your catalog with you, whether it's on paper or online, go to page 105. That's where all the horses from this event are listed. And we are looking at Sport Elite Preferent Triple A Johannes 484. And his resume is really too long to read at all. Bert is trying here in the arena. Champion Young Stallions 2015, Champion Older Stallions in 2021, 22, 24, 25, Reserve Champion 21, 22, 25, Horse of the Year in 23, and the lovely predicate of Preferent in 25. He's 15 years old, sired by Challe 454 out a Oepke mare. He got approved in 14, and today this is the only Preferent stallion you will see. And Johannes, such an impressive horse, so many titles that he deserved. 12 model daughters, 27 crown mares, 26 sport predicates, 1 sport elite, and 23 triple A for the tests. He is available at Stal de Mersken. And Johannes also has some approved sons. Award 514, Fouke 520, Rutger 546 and Taco 555.
Prachtige prestatie. Nu de zon van Agen. Winter achter Jans 484. De multi-kampioen. 15 jaar jong. Met vele fans. Met vele fans die op de nieuwe zondages. Jans 484. Het begin van deze reunie.
Such a great start of this event, Johannes 484.
Dansen binnenkomen voor 478 Sport Triple A.
And arriving into the arena, Fonger 478 Sport Triple A. He's already 17 years old. Got approved in 2013.
Fokpleger van Edwin Inwezen en een Eppinga-eigenaar. En ze is de zoon van Olgert 445.
Sired by Olgert 445 out a Duke 287 and further on Reitze 272 in his pedigree.
In de juryklasse aangespannen.
And Volker is the only approved son out of Olgert 445. And again, this is a subject of line breeding. His grandmother and his father on mother's side is the model double preferent mare Elbricht.
Roelde al in 2019 de nakomingonderzoek af. Steden de cijfers.
And the stallion had a lovely score in the central inspection, scoring 8.5 for his walk. He has a very interesting pedigree with a low kinship rate, 17.3%. And Volker 478 has 5 crown daughters, 1 preferent daughter, 3 sports, and 4 of them with AAA certificate. And he has an approved son, Mano 514, available at the breeding stud of Gaasterland.
Eens per jaar de sterren van het graagmeer, dames en heren. De dames. Dus Volker 4, 7, 8. Oh. U aangeboden door VFC Facility Lange hier 7-2. Aan de lange lijn komt Tibet. Kwarte 4 sportdubbel A18 jaar verwacht door JDM Mos en deze Winter. Zuiver 1 Evenaar. Kwarte is een zogenaamd Olympiek 76 voor de sterkdubbel aanneming van Check 328. Dan de sterkdubbel en de staatsmedel van Anton 343. Voor de stad 50. Goedkeurt in het najaar van 2012. 6 tegen dressuur en de klasse zet. Daarvoor niet klasse. De strijd in het centraal onderzoek en instelling van lijst beroemd. Dat is typisch, vraaggebouwd. Mogelijk straken we boven aanwezig. Prachtige scores. Daar een natuurlijk 8,5 punt. Kwarte het later gebeurde op basis van naakoverlingen. Nou, stoppen, exterieur, verder, geen paarden met verharingen, dat is typisch uitstalingen. 9 nakomelingen, een schoon, 6 tegen hotel. We hebben 19 soort en 6 tot aanpaarden. Met Tebben en Teun en Tegenzonen. Zal wel weer succesvol rechtsvader zijn. Kees, Burgermans, Sikko zijn kleinzonen. En de moederschap is niet. En de kleinzoon van de zesde kwarte 472. Beschikbaar bij Handels- en Exportstal Hupburg in Zitterhuizen. 18 jaar.
My guess is you haven't learned Dutch yet, so let me introduce to you Bartele 472 Sport AAA. He's 18 years old, sired by Onne 376, out a star AA mare from Tjerk 328. Performing really good in dressage, driving and show driving. And he is named because of his character. It's a beautiful horse, good in the racial type, lovely ability to collect and extend in his gaits, scoring 84.5 in show driving at the ABFP test. And he got approved in 2017 on his descendants, mainly on a conformation. He's giving beautiful horses in the racial type, 9 of them crown, 19 sports, 6 AAA. And he has 2 approved sons, Chebbe 500 and Teun 505. And he's a grandfather because Case 531, Merck 540, Mans and Sico are his grandsons. Bartele 472, and he is available at the Heuker stables.
Prachtige prestatie van Bartele 472, 18 jaar. Ja. Lijkt soms wel eens als de heks die dan worden en die apart samen zien dat ze nog net een stapje mogen doen. Wat een soep. De allerlaatste in deze rubriek.
And we are looking at the older stallions, 13 years and older. And if you were here watching on Thursday, we had the stallion parade this Thursday, and you might have seen a few of the stallions already there. And it was a lovely show, so we're going to do it again next year. Another reason to be here on the Thursday.
Aan de lange lijnen de presentatie van Reinder 4-2. Zwart dollar 21 miljoen. Voorbij aan de Boer, Biscuit, omzet van Lili Costa, Overzwaan.
Presented in the long range, Reinder 452 Sport AA, 21 years old. Sired by Aan 416 out of a Tjerk 326 mare. He got approved in 2009. He's performing in dressage. And look at him. 21 years old, and that means he's one of the golden oldies. And I don't know if you recognized him, but he was shining the last few days in the Hinder van Harig show. And he is at stud at the Bosma stables, and they have a lot of very good performing older stallions. And Reinder is the 4th generation there. Father Aan 416, grandfather Abe 346. He has plenty of offspring with crown, model, preferent, and also sports. And he has an approved son, Ulbran 502, and further in the line he has Jimte 533, Kanne 534, Menso, and last year Chibbe 553. As I said, available at the Bosma stables.
Jaar hier, dames en heren, schep erop aan. Nog 1 keer anders aan de overkaart. Voor de Rijnberg 4-2. Daar gaat hij. En dan klappen we even mee op de rand van de muziek van Rijnberg 4-2. Door binnengekomen Takke startnummer 20 jaar. Van de
And pretty exciting to be here. Take 455 Sport AA. He is 20 years old. Side by Jacob 302, coming from the Star Prestation Mare out of Oldman 317. That's very old blood. And Take 455 was a very, very welcome son of Jacob 302, and it gives him a very low kinship rate of 17%. Very much in the racial type and the mother line with a lot of preferent blood. And Take has served the breeding in Hungary, but right now he is back to his birth grounds in Holland. Horses with a good use and willingness to work, a friendly character out of Take 455, his descendants. 3 of them with the sport predicate and 4 of them with AAA. Low kinship rate, very important. Take 455 available at the Bosma stables and at the Nieuwe Heuvel.
De draaien, dames en heren, Takke 4-5. oudste voorbengers, een van de oudste hengsten. Ze was het prima ervaren. Danke, hier bij mij.
And I have a fun fact for you. The runner with this horse is one of the youngest that we have here today. And he's running with one of the oldest horses here today. It's such a beautiful day here. But we have one more. Look at this horse coming in. He is 22 years old. And in 2009, that's already 16 years ago, he was champion on the Stallion Show. We are looking at Maurus 441. Bred in Germany and in ownership of the Visser family. He's a Schalke son coming from a Christ 358 mare. He performed really well in the sports and he deserved a lot of championships in the honor class of the show driving. And if you have offspring from Maurus, they will all have racial type, a lot of bravura. They have a lot of front. They are lovely horses to watch. 5 times crown, 3 times model, 3 times preference in his family now. 19 of them sport and some sport elite as well, with 5 scoring triple A. And Maurus has an approved son. Case 531 is his approved son. 22 years old, and he is so fit and he is looking so beautiful. He has a lot of fence and you can use him for breeding. He is available at the Nieuwe Heuvel.
Dames en heren, u bent zo snel vandaag. Wie is Maurus 441? Kip Kunde. Jaar geleden kampioen-hengstenneuring. En er zullen handen denken, laten we het dan zorgen voor Maurus 441. Super. Kijk even lachen. Ja.
Beautiful. See him smile. We are going to see all the horses back again.
Dames in prachtig rode man staan op de kol die aan de hoofd staan en alle iedereen gaan ondersteunen de Nederland Jong KPS en de bestuur van het KPS bij de rechtskaartrekening. Dit zijn van de momenten Hier zie je de Guilain de la Reine van de Graaf van Guilain. Aangeboden door Pictet Facility.
Looking at the 13-year and older stallion category.
Wat een gezelschap bij elkaar. Johannes, Kommer, Bartele, Takke.
And this is such an honorable group of horses all together in one arena.
We staan alweer op zijn vaste post. Sabine gaat zodra deze hengsten natuurlijk weer eens willen toelichten. Dat is ook altijd zo mooi te horen.
And head of the judges, Sabine Zwaga, is going to tell us more about these stallions. And
Sabine Zwaga, Jan Hellings en Manuel Gasseling.
she's here together with Manuel Gasseling and Jan Hellings. They are the KFPS inspectors here today.
2026.
Ja, de eerste groep van de senioren van ons stamboek
And this is the first group from senior horses.
is Johannes 484.
And we are looking at the first senior, Johannes 484.
Deze publiekslieveling die toont zoveel duurzaamheid.
And this horse is so sustainable, such a lovely character, a lot of technique in his movement. So the term senior doesn't count for this horse. Such an amazing horse.
De vaste waarde hier op de hengstenkeuring.
And then Vonger,
We kunnen altijd erop vertrouwen dat hij
very reliable horse, and he always has a good walk and a good trot. He's looking very youthful still.
478.
Wonderful horse, Vonger 478.
En dan de bloedmooie Bartelen.
And then the beautiful Bartele with a nice front, beautiful head, long hair.
Die correct gesteld
He's high on the legs with a good hind leg,
goede stapte in draf met veel activiteit.
good walk, a lot of activeness in his gaits.
Taken, inmiddels 20
Take, 20 years old.
En er wordt wel eens gezegd dat de Friese paarden steeds minder behang hebben, maar...
And some people say that the Frisian horses don't really have a lot of hair nowadays, but you can see here that we are proving everybody wrong.
Mist de kracht van vroeger, maar een hele mooie presentatie van Taken.
He used to be more powerful in his strut, but he is still lovely to watch. Take 455.
21 jaar.
And then Reinder,
Avonden gelopen.
21 years.
In de baan.
And he did already 3 evenings of show, and then he's in the arena again today. Let's give him an applause.
Hele vlijtige stamboom, een hele mooie galopade.
Very eager in the walk, a beautiful trot.
In ons stamboom.
And in our stud book, we value sustainability, and this horse is proving this.
Zou die er zijn?
And then every year we think, will he be there or not? Maurus 441, 22 years old.
De oudste hengst die hier zich hier vandaag presenteert.
He's the oldest stallion here today.
De tuinliefhebbers heel erg blij zijn dat hij er is.
And I think a lot of show driving people. I love him.
En genoten, denk ik, die erachter
He looked beautiful in the long lines. A joy to watch this stallion.
We gaan zo de tweede helft van rubriek 2 bekijken en daarna gaan we bekendmaken.
This was the first part of event 2, so we're not going to place the horses yet. First we're going to do another group of older horses.
KFPS-bestuurder Wim Baksen in de piste namens P2. Kira van Wel die de prijs overhandigt. Linda aanvangen met zijn feestje.
Ribbons for all the horses.
Kostbare hengsten hier.
Valuable horses here in the arena.
Dan gaan we nog één en aanbodden. Voor de koppers.
And let's give it up one more time.
Krachtelen, Takten, Wender en Hannes. Kijk ze dan. Hebben jullie nou de zin allemaal?
Is everybody enjoying themselves? Are you having a good time? And to be honest, for me, this was a goosebump moment. And if you're here, clap along.
Stel je wat lampjes. Als altijd mooi. Stel je wat meer lampjes. En het is wel
And if you have your phone out... Oh, stop.
We gaan verder mensen. Dansen komt binnen.
We have to continue.
04. Sport Elite, Triple A. Kampioen jongensden 2020, algemeen kampioen.
In the arena, Matthijs 504. We are continuing our event 2. He is 14 years old, bred by the Derksen family. At stud at the Van Manen stables. Sired by Norbert 444, out a star preferent mare from Beard 411. And Matthijs is performing in the dressage. Matthijs was approved when he was 6 years old, and in December 23 in the central inspection he was scoring 86 points in excellency. He was showing a lot of talent for the heavier work in the dressage. The collected things are easy for him. And that's also because of his good canter. In 22, he came back in dressage in the Grand Prix. And he was showing himself beautifully in harness, deserving the Silver Bull. 5 times crown, 56 star mares, 30 star stallions. And he has his first approved son, Pelle 545. Available at stud at the Brothers van Manen.
De mooiste dag van het jaar. En ook dit onderdeel aangeboden door PT Facility. Dames en heren, weer. Wat is? Hoi. Dan. Wegkomende kampioen. Ik zeg wegkomende kampioen, dan weet ik wel dat ergens vandaan wil komen.
And ladies and gentlemen, if we say 5 times champion, do you know which horse we mean? 5 times champion. He's in ownership of stables Chardon, coming from Maurits 437 out of a Jasper 366 mare. And let's say it one more time. 5 times champion, Jurre 495. Do we really need to tell you again? Yes, we are going to do a little bit of that. And we're going to try to introduce him. It's a lot. 5 times champion. Excellent in show driving. He was a beautiful show driving duo together with Ice 489. The people who know, they know. Under the saddle in the small tour, winning the championships in front of the Frisian Chase, the Silver Bull. He got approved in 2021, delivering 2 model mares and 5 crown. 7 of them are sport, 9 of them triple A. He has 3 approved sons, Hielke 530, Sibren 547, and last year, Tigo 556. Available at stables of Chardon, Jurre 495, Sport Elite, Triple A.
erop. En dan gaan we nog een keer in Jurgen 94 weg. Waar zijn de guts? Zilveren kampioen jongens 2016, 2017, de zilveren algemeen kampioen zilveren 10. Zo kunnen we nog even doorgaan. Paard van het jaar in 2022, kampioen KP 6.
And the long list of resumes is returning. In the long lines we have Nana 492.
Sport Elite Triple A, 14 jaar.
Sport Elite Triple A. He is sired by Wiemer 461 out of a Brandus 345 mare, stem 8. He got approved in 2015. He had a lot of winning championships on his name. For the people who were here Thursday, do you remember all those ribbons in the Stallion Parade? Those were his. Pavo Friso Cup, newly competition, sport competition, show driving. And then also a lot of championships here at the Stallion Show. Horse of the Year 2022. He got approved in 2015 and scoring triple A in everything. He delivered 2 model mares, 10 crown mares, 16 sport horses and 1 sport elite. 23 times triple A. And he already has 4 approved sons. Herre 524, Gosse 526, Elger 536. And last year, Sime 551.
Prestatie die ook aan de basis stond voor de titel paard van het jaar.
And then Nana made a very glorious comeback in 2022, winning the Silver Bowl. Nana 492, available at stud Henswoude.
Maar dus hier even één triple A. De kampioen is 2016.
And we are looking at Marcus 491 Triple A. 14 years old. He was champion in the Young Stallions in 16 and reserve champion in 2019. Maurits 3437 and the Pref Prestation Mare out of Onne 376, approved in 2015. And this Marcus is very much in the racial type and scoring over 80 points in his tests at the central inspection. And this horse is very strong in passing on his confirmation genes. Racial type, a lot of hair and correct build. That's what the descendants are noticeable with. A star percentage of 57%. And then character, also one of the things that marks the Marcus horses. Character, model mares, 13 Crown, 13 Sport, and 6 times Triple A. This horse is delivering. He's available at the breeding station Gaasterland.
Marcus hier 9-1. Ruben aangewonnen met Facility, de Amor met de 4-9-0. Sport 1, de dubbel A, 14 jaar. Van Rijnmond in Sint in Interden. En daar aan Thomas Sarkozy. En toen is al nog Pietfield en het waren brengt naar de statie en dan Anton 343, dan Jelmer 297. Komt uit Sandberg.
Looking at Meinte 490, Sport Elite Double A, 14 years old, coming from a Beard 411 mare out of an... Oh, sorry, Beard 411 is his sire, out of a Anton 434 mare. Approved in 2015. And other than in your catalog, this horse is performing in dressage in Intermediaire 1 medium tour. He showed himself an all-rounder in the central inspection, scoring over 80 points in all 3 of the disciplines. And then he has 2 full brothers that didn't make it, but he did. But that means that his mother, and you might know her, the people who are involved in the Frisian breed will know this mare, Boukje C. She's breeding very, very strong horses. And this Preferent Prestation mare became Horse of the Year in 21. And then the breeder of this stallion became Breeder of the Year in that same year. Mijnte 490 is available at the Van Manen stables.
Namens Mijnte 9-0. Wat laten de alle mensen zich zien vandaag, de een naar de ander. Genieten, genieten, Mijnte 4, Mijnte 0. Nog één hengst in deze groep, de Jouwe 485 sportelite triple A 15 jaar jong. Gevolgd bij RHB Stagehuizen in de zin van Mini Bapper en Mini Salami. Hier is zo dadelijk de zon van puur Jouwe 485. Kijk eens naar de schitterende baan. Staat hier dus door 4-4-4-8 de vader van het volkssportevenement van Volker Drinkwerk, de centevenement van Lekker.
And have a look at the hair on this horse.
Goedgekeurd door dressuur. Sinds de sport.
Pier 448 is his sire, out of a Crown Sport preference mare from Volkert 353. Jouwe 485, 15 years old. And since 2023, Jouwe can name himself Sport Elite, performing in the small tour together with Sabine van der Loenhorst. He is the first approved son out of Pier 448. And he was performing excellent in the central inspection, and especially in show driving, or especially in driving, I must say, 87.5, and that's a high score. And something he exceeds in is bringing conformation to his descendants, to his offspring. Racial type, also something he is giving to his sons and daughters. 11 times crowned, 7 sport, 1 sport elite, and 5 triple A's. And then from his first year, he already got approved 2 sons. Arend 515, and you've seen him here earlier, Boet 516. Jouwe 485, he's available at stud at de Nieuwe Heuvel.
belangstelling balanceren en wat de mensen blijft die daar jouw 4, 8, 5. We werden aangeboden door BT Facility of European Aanbesteding Specialisten in facilitaire dienstverlening en sportmanagement. Ze komen weer terug.
And this event number 2 also has a sponsor, V2 Facility. And they have kind of organized everything you see here. They're doing everything in facilitating sport events. And they are coming back. The horses' second round for event 2. It's a very big group, of course, the older approved stallions.
Wat een plaatje in de keuringsvaardingsschil, dat is heel mooi. Wat een kapitaal bij één. Ik denk dat we vandaag gaan opstellen. Na de toelichting van wat ze brengen, dat krijgen ze absoluut voor de kampioenschap. Mensen ze voor de afspraak zodat ik door Rotterdam FPS bezoeken bij het Singel, KFPS bestuurder in Pak en Kira van Welkenbouw CT Facility. Nou, we zijn ze nog niet veel de woning aan het hoor. We gaan het zien.
And our speaker Bet is warning the horses not to kick the beautiful boarding on the side of the arena, showing all the sponsors. We are listening to Sabine Zwaga.
Wat staan ze er allemaal goed voor? En we beginnen met Mathies 504.
Starting with Mathies 504.
Binnenkomt, heeft met veel statuur. Die
a lot of stature on this horse, a lot of technique in his movment, and a beautiful trot for Mathies 504. Five-time champion Jurre 495, and he showed why he was champion 5 times. He's looking great. He looks even better than last year.
Een resolute stap en een hele goede draf zoals we van Jurre
Excellent
gewend zijn.
walk and a beautiful trot for this stallion.
En Nane, 492.
Nana 492. He has fans.
Wat presenteerde hij zich fenomenaal.
He was phenomenal today.
Een zeer goede conditie voor deze hengst.
He was
Heel mooi gebruikt in het
in
voorbeen, in de lange
top
lijn, in de
shape,
hand
this
van Timothy
stallion.
Lama. Hij bleef heel mooi in balans en hij kwam er heel mooi in.
He was well balanced. He was uphill in the movement. Beautiful presentation. Together with Sibren Minkema.
Optreden van Marcus.
Then Marcus 491.
Die in zijn presentatie een hele mooie opbouw
Build
liet zien.
upward, improving every round.
En klom erin en liet daarna een
Starting off very calm and then a phenomenal trot for Marcus 491.
En het was nog niet op, want we hadden ook Mijnte 4.
And we were not finished yet because we had Mijnte 490.
Die hengst die heel evenredig gebouwd is, veel
Evenly built, a lot of racial type, and a lot of knee action in the front leg.
And last but not least, Jouwe 4.
And then last but not least, Jouwe 485. Lovely silhouette,
Hele sterke bovenlijn.
strong top line,
Met goede buiging in het
a
achterbeen.
good hind leg in his trot, Jouwe 485.
Ja, maar nu
Ja.
welke hengsten gaat de jury...
But now, which horse are they going to take to the championship rounds?
Drie hebben we al 2 hengsten voor het
We already had 2 stallions at event 3.
goedgekeurd. Dat zijn Tide en Auwert.
Tide and Howard were already there.
2 meenemen zodat we
En,
4 in dat kampioenschap hebben.
Joining this championship will be another 2 horses.
Dat de helft van de rubriek 2 staat hier. We hebben natuurlijk net ook nog
Right
een
here we
ander
have the
gehad.
second half of this
De
event.
eerste hengst die we mee willen nemen is Mathies 504.
First horse we are taking with us is Matisse 504. He is here now. You can see him there.
In de vorige groep hadden we ook een hele duurzame hengst. die we
And then
graag
in
nog
the
een keer willen
other
zien.
group, another
Hans
stallion that we want to see one more time, Johannes 484.
Maar
But
er is zoveel kwaliteit in deze
there
baan.
is so much quality in this arena.
Deze hengsten die ik nog wel een keer wil gaan zien.
And I think everybody wants to see them
Ik wil
again.
heel graag meenemen.
We like to invite one more.
Jurre 495.
Jurre 495 is coming along to the championships.
Er zijn er nog meer.
And people are cheering. Are there more? Yes, there are more. There are more.
Wie willen we nog meer zien?
Who do we want to see? Nana. Nana is coming as well.
En er is vast nog wel ruimte voor nog een hengst in die kampioenschap.
And do we have space for one more?
Nou,
Well,
Marcus 491.
Marcus 491.
Nou, gaan we weer aankomen met de kampioenskeuring.
Well, we are going to be late today having so many horses.
Dan komen we best weer aan het eind. Goed, nou dit was grandioos. Gaan we nog even een feestje van maken. De ronde van eer.
This was awesome. It's going to be a big, big party. Let's enjoy them.
Mathies, Jurre, Nane, Marcus, Mijnte, Jouwe. Als de baan van de twee slepen komen naar één baan slepen en dan direct door de boven. En dan lekker muziek mensen.
We're going to have a small break and some nice music before we go back.
Ga nog niet weg hoor, want de keuring gaat gewoon door. Het is altijd zo sfeervol als we heel veel van die momentjes zien waar het lampje op brandt. Je moet gewoon niet meer naar huis bellen vandaag. Gewoon alle energie dat momentje gebruiken.
And a question from our speaker Bert.
Die lampjes aan. Dames, staan bij ook.